how to fix Remitly money transfer. So here's what you want to do. I'm going to show you a few different fixes. First, you want to close the Remitly app, and then you will go into your iPhone settings. So here you want to search for iPhone storage, and from the list of applications, just find Remitly. I'm going to come back in a second once I find the app. Okay, so find the app, click on it, and then you want to offload the app. Offload the app. This isn't going to log you out of your account or anything like that. You just want to reinstall it afterwards, after you have offloaded it. So see if that fixes the issue for you. If it still doesn't work, then what you can do is this. So if you can't tell apart a money transfer, if you haven't made a money transfer, then you will email them at this email address, and this is the information that you need to include: name and email address, the error or problem with the transfer, the name of the person receiving the funds, the amount of the transfer, and the reference number. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.